Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Mapisa Nqakula. The National Assembly Speaker, Mapisa Nqakula, says she will not take responsibility for the fire that gutted Parliament on Sunday. In a heated exchange with a News 24 journalist, Mapisa Nqakula said she had been in office for less than 3 months and therefore she could not be blamed for the disastrous blaze. She said, "I'm really sorry if you're trying to align that with the fact that I started a few months ago, which is 2 or 3 months ago. I'm not responsible for any dropping of the ball in terms of the security in Parliament." Mapisa said based on a report she had received, all cameras in the precinct were working. She said this was confirmed by the acting secretary to Parliament and a Department of Public Works and Infrastructure official responsible for cameras. She was responding to a question whether she would admit to having dropped the ball and will take responsibility for what has happened. This was in light of poor security in Parliament and in the context of previous reports that outlined potential risks and loopholes in terms of safety. Mapisa also said Parliament was a national key point and its security was the responsibility of both its own officials and the police. She urged the journalist to try to be smart sometimes when raising questions. She went on saying, "This lady here, at any given time, she has always ensured that she defends the democracy. She so hardly fought for this woman here, and I will not take responsibility for anything that you are suggesting, which is that there may be charges of treason for me as a speaker because Parliament bent down." And she also said, in fact, she was the one person who came out on Sunday and said that any attack, if there was an attack on Parliament, it will be an attack on the democracy of the people of South Africa. The implication of what you are saying is that I must take responsibility because I dropped the ball. I'm here for 2.5 months to 3 months, and up until now, there is nothing that suspects there was a dropping of the ball by Parliament. The National Council of Provinces chairperson Amos Masondo confirmed that the National Assembly chamber and the National Assembly building have been gutted. He said, "We can confirm that one of the biggest losses the people of South Africa have suffered in this fire is the complete burning down of the National Assembly chamber, a seat of a crucial plenary sittings of the National Assembly and joint sittings of the two houses. The Assembly, as one of two houses of Parliament, occupies an important place in the history and evolution of our constitutional democracy. This is the house where over 2,000 transformative pieces of legislation have been passed since the dawn of the democracy." Masondo said the National Assembly building was the third of a series of interlinked buildings. It was built between 1983 and 1985 to accommodate the expanded needs of the apartheid tricameral parliament. Masondo said some important sections like the NCOP chamber and office, the parliament library and the museum, including artworks and heritage objects, and the Kiskama tapestry on the ground floor of the old assembly building were saved. He said multi-agency investigations were underway and will be in full swing once the building was declared safe and handed over to investigation team. He said he wished to assure all the people in South Africa that we will leave no stone unturned to enable appropriate actions to be taken by all relevant authorities. What do you think about this particular issue, people? Do you think Cyril Ramaphosa has planned all of this? Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online channel loves you. Bye, good people.